Hey friends, if you wish to create, edit, and delete filters on your Gmail account, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, click on the settings symbol at the top right corner, select settings, go to filters and blocked addresses. Now, you can create on this option to create a new filter, and then let us say that you want to create a filter for this one, and just click on create filter then. And then if any email comes from it, I want it to never to be sent to spam, and then I'll click on create filter. So the filter has been created and it is mentioned here. I can click on edit to edit the filter. All I will need to do is I'll have to click on continue, and then I will have to change this thing always mark as important. Let's say I want to add another filter, and that's how I can edit and update my filters. And if I wish to delete the filter, simply click on delete and delete the filter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.